My name is ASRAF. Today I want to present about the parcel service. Parcel service is the practice on an organization that management and parcel delivery in operation in 3 divisions to provide global solution on supply chain management. The 3 divisions of operation include domestic package, international package operation, and supply chain and transportation operation. Global parcel service is preferred in many market areas such as transportation, air transportation, custom, insurance, and financing. Parcel service offers solution in quantum parcel service and paperless parcel service solution. In quantum parcel service, packaging requirement help customer manage their shipment, make tracking possible for incoming value planning, manage third-party related shipping costs, and to notify customer about incoming cargo. On the other hand, the paperless parcel service solution allow its customer to register themselves in their paperless invoice and upload their shipping document freely. Because parcel service offer solution on shipping and delivery and supply chain management solution, operation management has played an important role in checking their information, which is often available on their social media site in case they are free from any attack.
My name is LUKMAN bin YUSOFF, and my metric number is A19B1022. I will present the motivation and background as well as the problem statement. As for motivation and background, the cargo is protected from dust and moisture, weather condition, and impact damage when a pallet is wrapped using a pallet wrapping machine. Furthermore, the pallet contents are better secured from theft. One of the most common application of stretch wraps is to combine several smaller individual items into a single bigger one. It is easier to move the burden if it is reshaped into a single solid unit. Distributor save time and damage while loading, while they only have to convey one unit. Next, I will continue with the problem statement. Our problem statement is, the first one is consistent and uniform application. Wrapping pallets using hand wrap stretch films is in a consistent uniform manner. An operator wrapping pallets with hand wraps stretch will not be able to wrap every cargo exactly at the same time every time. A shipment wrapped by one operator on Monday will not be the same. On Friday afternoon by another operator. This problem will be solved by using a stretch wrap machine to wrap the pallet. Next is load integrity. No one enjoys wrapping their packages by hand. The good enough mindset take a hold at some time. Knowing what is necessary to maintain your goods unitized during shipment and the customer flow is critical when creating stretch wrapping standards for your operations. When an employee is hand wrapping pallets, he is responsible for ensuring the minimum tension criteria are met. Fatigue, ignorance, training, and a lack of enthusiasm might alter the employee good enough point, perhaps resulting in customer complaints or product owing to improper packaging. This problem is solved using a stretch wrapping machine to wrap the pallets. The third one is customer satisfaction and damage control. As we all know, customer satisfaction is our number one priority. Wrapping pallets may be the last activity we execute, but it's the first thing that the customer sees. So when we use stretch wrap machine to wrap the pallet, it will show the customer and will improve customer satisfaction. Lastly is damage control. Uh, when we are using a stretch wrap machine wrapping paper, problem that evolves with time and limiting the possibility of a pallet being damaged during transport.
My name is ZULALINA binti ZAKARIA and my metric number is A19A1002. So today I'm going to present about the SPS or Self-Parcel Service Machine model. This is the three different point of view of the self-parcel service or we call SPS machine. So the first picture is the SPS machines look from a frontal point of view. So here we can see the entrance of the machine with the roller track and also the tablet provided to customer to fill the information. The second picture is SPS machines look from the internal point of view of the machine. So here we can see the way of the process in the SPS machine. So the parcel will process step by step in the SPS machine. Lastly, the third picture is SPS machines look from the point of view of the wearer of the machine or the last process of the SPS machines. So here we can see the end of the process before the parcel is sent to the other station to proceed with the delivery process. Self-Parcel Service or SPS was designed to make the shipping process much easier and more friendly to customer. This machine was divided to 4 stations, which is information station, wrapping station, box parcel station, and manpower station.
My name is Siti NADIAH binti SUHAIMI and my metric number is A19A1132. Alright, I will continue the presentation with the second station. The wrapping station will be the second station. This station will provide the customer with bubble wrap to secure the parcel. It is done to avoid parcel damage during the courier's delivery of the parcel. The parcel will pass through the station and we will use the heated metal to melt the plastic wrap in just 3 seconds before moving on to the next station to seal the bubble wrap. The parcel will be then be placed in the box to be couriered. In the first step of this parcel process, the box size was determined. The box purpose is to double secure the parcel while also making it look neat. Just to remind the customer, the bubble wrap and box are not necessary. If the customer does not want to use this service, they must properly prepare their package. Then we only take the necessary parcel information. Alright, the last step or the last station or the last process is the manpower station. Manpower will be used at this station to ensure that the parcel is properly wrapped and that the customer details sticker is placed along with the fragile tape. Following the date of submission, the parcel will be placed in a sorting location. I think that's all the part for the discussion. Let's move on to the next part. Thank you.
Morning. My name is Muhammad Alif HAIQAL bin KAZURA and my metric number is A18B1212. My part is about the expected contribution. Firstly, about the advantage, we have two. We have 2 points. My first point is about the save time. Our service machine is built to facilitate the work of the public to wrap the parcel in order to protect the goods contained in the parcel, and with the creation of this machine can indirectly save time for people to wrap goods. Second point about the reduced labor cost. This machine also can save labor cost where the system in this machine uses automatic methods in carrying out its operation. Second part is about the disadvantages, and I have 2 points. And my first point is about the high cost. This machine use a high cost because it use an automatic system to operate, and indirectly the operating cost for this machine has turned out to be high. Second point about the reduced performance. About the reduced performance, when the machine is too frequently used for wrapping work indirectly, the machine will produce a hot heat condition, and also this will cause the performance of the machine to be in an unsatisfactory condition.
My name is Faisarah Binti Abdul Fattah, and my metric number A198029, and I will explain the conclusion. So, several technologies are poised to transform and enhance the logistic and supply chain industries. This technology will aid the sector in overcoming several issues, including cost reduction, speed of service, damage management, road optimization, warehouse management, and so on. This will result in much needed efficiency as well as the highest possible level of client pleasure. We will see a stronger and more lean logistics service. Today, we are assumed to do everything online and having instant access at our fingertips. To remain competitive and boost efficiencies, it is necessary to keep it up with the latest technology. The logistics industry benefits greatly from new technology and continues to grow as new advancements are realized. In the coming years, technological advancement will continue to push the boundaries. Automation is now relative because to logistic technology like self-parcel service, which are simple to use for everyone, especially in the face of the COVID-19 pandemic. As a result, acquiring a competitive advantage requires early identification of new opportunities and emerging technology to incorporate into the fund. Thank you.